Hello. Welcome to MindDrop English. I'm Emma.
And hi, I'm Jake. We're so happy you're here today.
This is Lesson 1, the very first lesson. And today, we're going to learn one of the most important verbs in English.
It's the verb to be. In English, we use it in almost every sentence.
I am Emma. You are here. He is a teacher. She is a student. It is a beautiful day.
Did you hear that? Am, are, is. Those are the three forms. And by the end of this lesson, you'll use them naturally. Let's begin.
Jake, let's pretend we're meeting for the very first time. I'll start. Hi there. My name is Emma.
Oh, great idea. Hi Emma. Nice to meet you. My name is Jake.
Nice to meet you too, Jake. Did you hear that phrase? My name is Emma. My name is Jake. We use is here because name is not I and not you. It's a thing, a noun.
Right. And we can also say, I am Emma. I am Jake. Both are correct. I am, and, my name is, same meaning.
Let's continue the conversation. Jake, are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. I'm a student at the university. And you, Emma, are you a student too?
No, I'm not a student. I'm a teacher. I am a teacher of English.
A teacher. Wonderful. Emma is a teacher. Not a student, a teacher. I love that.
And where are you from, Jake? Are you from England?
No, I'm not from England. I'm from America. I'm from New York City. New York is a very big city. Where are you from, Emma?
I'm from London. London is my city. London is a beautiful city, and it's in England.
London and New York, two amazing cities. So Emma is from London and I'm from New York. Perfect.
Did you follow that? Let me slow down and explain. The verb, to be, has three forms in the present. Form number 1. I am. Use am only with I, only ever with I.
So I say, I am Jake. I am from New York. I am a student. That's form 1, I am.
Exactly. Form number 2. You are. Use are with you. For example, you are a student. You are from New York. You are wonderful.
And form number 3, he is, she is, it is. Use is with he, she, or it. For example, she is a teacher. He is a student. It is a big city.
Now, in spoken English, we almost always use short forms. We call them contractions. I am becomes I'm. You are becomes you're. He is becomes he's. She is becomes she's. It is becomes it's.
So instead of, I am Jake, in conversation I say, I'm Jake. Instead of, she is a teacher, I say, she's a teacher. Much faster and more natural.
And for negatives, how do we say, no? Very simple. I am not. Or, I'm not. You are not. Or, you're not. He is not. Or, he's not.
I'm not from England. Emma is not from New York. She's not from New York, she's from London. See how easy that is?
Wonderful. Now let's practice again with a new conversation. Jake, imagine this is our first day at a new school.
I love it. Okay. Hello. I'm Jake. What's your name?
Hi Jake. I'm Emma. It's nice to meet you. Are you a new student here?
Yes, I am. I'm a student. I'm not a teacher. And you? Are you a student or a teacher?
I'm the teacher. I'm your English teacher, actually.
Oh, you're my teacher? That's great. Are you from here? Are you from this city?
No, I'm not from this city. I'm from London. London is my home city. And you, Jake? Where are you from?
I'm from New York. New York is a huge city in America. It's my favorite city in the world.
That's wonderful. My friend Maria, she's from Madrid. Madrid is a beautiful city in Spain. Is New York bigger than Madrid, do you think?
Yes, New York is bigger, I think. But Madrid is a great city too. So, she's from Madrid, you're from London, and I'm from New York. 3 cities, 3 teachers.
Ha, well, I'm the only teacher here. You're the student, Jake. But yes, 3 beautiful cities.
Right. I'm the student. I'm not the teacher. Got it.
Now let's practice today's vocabulary. We have 5 key words: name, student, teacher, from, and city.
Word number 1. Name. Your name is your identity. My name is Jake. What's your name? The answer is, my name is. And then you say your name. Try it right now. Pause the video and say your name out loud.
Word number 2. Student. A student is someone who learns, at school, at university, or here, learning English with us. I am not a student, I'm a teacher. But Jake is a student.
And I'm proud to be a student. Students learn. Students grow. Are you a student? Great, say it. I am a student.
Word number 3. Teacher. A teacher helps you learn. I am a teacher. She is a teacher. Is your English teacher at school a good teacher? Tell a friend. My teacher is wonderful, or my teacher is strict.
Word number 4. From. From tells us where someone or something comes from. I am from New York. Emma is from London. Where are you from? Think about it. What city? What country?
And word number 5. City. A city is a large place where many people live. London is a city. New York is a city. Tokyo is a city. Is your hometown a city? It's a big, busy place. That's a city.
Now let's put all 5 words together in one sentence. Ready? My name is Jake. I am a student. I am not a teacher. I am from New York. New York is a city in America.
Beautiful. Now you try it with your own information. Say, my name is. I am a student. I am from, and, is a city. Go on. Say it out loud. Repetition is the key to learning English.
Alright, let's do one final conversation with everything we've practiced. Let's mix it all together.
Perfect. I'll introduce someone new. Jake, this is my colleague Carlos. He is from Madrid. He is a teacher, like me.
Oh, hi Carlos. Nice to meet you. So, he's from Madrid? And he's a teacher?
That's right. He is from Madrid. He's not from London and he's not from New York. He's from Madrid. And his name is Carlos.
Got it. His name is Carlos. He's a teacher. He's from Madrid. Madrid is a city in Spain. Is Madrid a big city?
Yes, it is. Madrid is a beautiful big city. It's the capital of Spain. Carlos is very proud of his city.
I love this. So let me review. I am Jake. I'm a student. I'm from New York. Emma is a teacher. She's from London. And Carlos is also a teacher. He's from Madrid.
Excellent review. And now tell me, am I a student?
No, you're not. You're not a student. You're a teacher. Emma is a teacher.
And is Jake from England?
No, he's not. I'm not from England. I'm from America. I'm from New York. New York is a city in America, not England.
Perfect. You're getting it. One more question. What is the capital city of England?
Is it London? Yes, it is London. London is the capital city of England. And Emma is from London.
That's right. Well done. Now let's summarize everything from today's lesson.
The verb, to be, has 3 present forms. Am, is, and are. Use, am, with I use, is with he, she, and it. Use, are, with you.
In spoken English, we use contractions. I'm, your, he's, she's, it's. And for negatives, I'm not, you're not, he's not, she's not.
Are 5 vocabulary words. Name, student, teacher, from, and city. Use them to introduce yourself every single day. Say it to the mirror, say it to a friend, say it here with us.
And in our next lesson, Lesson A102, we go deeper. We'll practice asking questions. Are you a student? Are you from London? And negatives. I'm not married. I'm not old. It's going to be so much fun.
Thank you so much for studying with us today. You've taken your first step in English, and we're so proud of you.
Keep practicing. Say your name. Say where you're from. Say what you are. Student, teacher, doctor, engineer, in English, every day.
See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Goodbye. And remember, you're not just a learner. You're an English speaker in progress. See you soon.